In this video, we're gonna see how to install Windows 11 in a VirtualBox. Download it and install Windows 11. So we're gonna download Windows 11 from Microsoft website. We don't need a license to do it. It will just show that the Windows is not activated. So we download Windows 11 disk image ISO. We choose the region. I will choose English for the language, and then we click download. It will download the file. So after it's downloaded, I will come back. Okay, so now we have downloaded the Windows 11 25H2. We're gonna install it in the VirtualBox. We open the Oracle VirtualBox Manager. We create a new virtual machine, and we call it Windows 11 25H2. The ISO image will be this one. My folder for the virtual machine, I'll put it in the VirtualBox. The VirtualBox. I will use our unintended installation. It will be faster. Okay, I enter some password, and then for the product key, I'll just fill it with 1. The host name, I think I cannot have a space, so I'll just call it Windows 11. The hardware I will increase. Hard disk is 80 GB, is fine. And then we finish. And then we're gonna start the machine. It's starting by itself. I will increase the window. So the machine will be almost automatic. The installation will be almost automatic. Only it will ask for the product key because it will not work. Here I will press a key to boot the virtual machine ISO. So they will ask for a license key. We will just skip the license key, and then the difference with a license or no license is the Windows will just say that it's not activated, but we can still use it. So here's the product key. We just say I don't have a product key, and then it will continue installing. It will install everything automatic except when it has to restart. It will bug, and then I have to reset the machine automatically. So now it's installing, so I will be back when it finishes. And that's it. Windows is installed. You see here you have a message activate Windows. But everything else works in Windows. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.